people? My name is Calen. I'm here with my wife Reagan.
Chan?
Yep. And today we are going to be showing you guys how to come up with a parkour line. Specifically, parkour lines that are good for freestyle free running competitions. Instead of just telling you guys how to do it, we're going to show you guys how we put together our runs and how you guys can apply it to your own vlog.
Nice.
So first off, you gotta get warmed up, and Reagan's warming up some flips right now. So one of the most important things before you start training lines is you gotta get yourself into a flow state. And a really good way to do that if you're training with someone else is to play a game of add-on to force yourself to come up with some pretty long lines and to get yourself moving. Let's do it. All right.
Sir?
Add on. What? Almost. All right. Oh! We like to play at least 2 or 3 games of add-on. When one person fails to add something on, or if the line just not working like you want it to, then it's good to start a new game. So here we go.
Wait, right here? Okay.
Ooh. That roll though.
That's the next one.
Okay.
Okay. We might have to call it there.
Nice. Oh, hey. You basically pre'd it. Nice. Now we just finished our game of add-on, so we are in the flow state now.
We are.
And the nice thing about add-on, you keep it simple, it's nice and fun, a good way to warm up, but also you can find little challenges that you like. Did you find any challenges that you might want to put in your line today?
I've never done a parkour off that cat. It's a lot easier than I thought, but I would have never tried it if we didn't play that game.
Sweet. The first step to coming up with a line that you're excited about is you need to find challenges that you're excited about. An ideal line has about 2 challenges in there. Find one thing that you really like to do, find another thing on the course that you like to do, and then see how you can connect both of them together. Are you excited about this challenge here? Sweet.
So I really like the front flip, but my last few lines have always gone that way. The last few Instagram posts that I've done. So I'm gonna try something different. I'm gonna try reverse vault, or a vault to make me turn that way.
For my challenge, I'm thinking of actually doing the same thing, starting with a Webster, and maybe doing like a swivel vault down here into a gate vault. I want to see if that works. Once you figure out a challenge or a very small line that you want to try it, and then find the other piece of your line and then combine them together once you get both of them solid.
Ooh.
I like that.
Yeah?
After you've come up with something, try to feel where your momentum's about to go. Don't just think about it, but try to feel it. Out of that gate vault, I feel myself wanting to go this way. So I'll probably go that way. That seems to be the most natural thing to do. You want to be very careful about being repetitive with your lines. That line I have right there has 2 cleat vaults in it, but we'll see if it works. Ooh. So what are you thinking, Reagan?
So I'm starting with the Webster, vault down, do this, sit down, just fly away. What you just saw right there. And maybe your back is right there.
So as you're piecing lines, once your lines are getting longer, you don't have to put the flips or the scary parts in yet. Just feel it out like what Reagan's about to do right now. Boom, reverse, fly away, and coffee grinder to roll.
Yeah, nice.
Yeah?
The flips.
Sweet.
It's a good line.
Nice. Let's get it. Yeah. Yeah, that's better. If there's a part of your line that's a little bit awkward, go back and practice that part. Don't just try to do the full line and try to get that part perfect, because your body is just going to do the same thing again and again if it's tired. So you make sure you get that part good. And if it doesn't work out, then change the line. Yes, let's get it. You got it. You got it, Reagan? Yes. Oh, so close. Yes. Let's get it. Oh no! Yes, let's get Reagan. Yes, keep going, keep going. Oh, you okay? Yes! The kids in the way.
I know, but it's okay.
Oh man.
I was just like, I'm gonna hit him. I don't care.
Let's get it. Let's get it. Keep it going. Let's get it. Good. Yeah. Oh. So eventually Reagan got too tired, so we decided that we would just come back the next day, and we ended up changing the lineup a little bit. And to be honest, this line is actually my favorite line that I've ever seen Reagan do. So that's what you're about to see right now. And as you can tell, that line was just absolutely amazing. Now back to my line. And as I said, being repetitive is really dangerous when coming up with a line. You want to add lots of variety. So I'm thinking of maybe going here and adding a rail pre and doing a bar trick out of it.
That's a good line.
So I'm thinking of doing a kumquat full. So that's why I progressed to kumquat. Now I know I can do the whole line, put it all together. So we'll see if I can get the full. Maybe try with the pad a few times first.
With a pad, which is what I should have done with my J-step.
There's the half.
Not quite. Ooh. Ooh, that was so good.
That's it.
That's super snappy.
Yeah, I got it.
Here is Calen's full line. Oh, wow. I thought he wasn't going to go for it, but he did.
Watch that last one. Didn't get enough speed into the kumquat full.
Snap. That was way good.
Yeah. All right, guys, there you have it. That is our tutorial for how to come up with lines for free running. So make sure to check out our other videos and like and subscribe. keep it real. We also have a competition coming up very soon here at Woodward, so make sure you prepare for that. It's going to happen in May. Details will be in the description below, and we hope to see you guys there.